In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Obsidian notes to Microsoft Word. Obsidian doesn't offer a direct export to Word, but there's a simple, reliable workflow that gets you a clean docx file using a quick PDF conversion inside Microsoft Word. I'll walk you through it step by step, and along the way I'll share a few tips to keep your formatting tidy. Start by opening the Obsidian note you want to convert. Make sure it looks the way you want, because whatever you see here is what will be captured in the PDF. When you're ready, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. In the search box that appears, type Export to PDF, then select that option. Obsidian will generate a preview and ask where to save the file. Choose a clear location and a meaningful file name so you can find it easily later, then save. If your note contains long code blocks or wide tables, consider switching to landscape orientation or reducing font size in Obsidian before exporting so the PDF captures everything neatly. Next, open Microsoft Word. From Word, go to File, then Open, and navigate to the PDF you just exported. Select the file and open it. Word will automatically convert the PDF into an editable document. This process can take a moment for larger notes, and you might see a message letting you know that the layout could change slightly during conversion. That's normal. Once the note opens in Word, take a moment to review the formatting. Headings, lists, images, and links usually come through well, but you may want to adjust spacing, tweak styles, or reformat code snippets depending on how complex your original note was. When it looks good, save the file as a standard Word document by choosing File, then Save As, and selecting the .docx format. This ensures your changes are preserved and the file is easy to share or collaborate on. If you need to turn multiple notes into Word documents, you have two options. The quick approach is to combine the content into a single note in Obsidian and export that one larger PDF before converting in Word. If you prefer more control or need batch processing, you can explore using a plugin like Pandoc in Obsidian to export directly to .docx. Now you can convert your Obsidian notes into Word documents for editing or sharing. Subscribe for more quick tutorials.